Intro to Relationships in Rails Part 1 belongs to. Say we have the concept of a post, and this post can be commented on. And we're writing an app where we want a way to keep track of all the comments that have been added to a particular post. This is a situation that calls for a has many and belongs to relationship. We'll start with the belongs to side of the relationship. When we call belongs to, which is a class method defined somewhere inside ActiveRecord, and we pass this class method the name of a model, we get some methods added to our comment models. One of the methods we get is the name of the parent model, in this case post, which returns the parent record. In this case it returns nil as this comment isn't associated with the record. So we can define our own post method, we'll remove the call to belongs to, and as expected we lose the post method it provides. Let's define this method ourselves. Okay, that's fixed the no method error, but we should do something more useful and return the parent post. But how do we associate a comment with the post? We need to find some way to reference a given post from another model. When we create a post in the database, it is given a unique ID field, which is automatically incremented for each post we create. We can use this field as a reference to a specific post in our database. If we store this post's ID on a comment record, which we want to belong to this post, we can then later use this value to find the post that this comment references. We'll store the value of the post's ID in a field on the comment called post ID. So let's write a migration to add that attribute to our comment model. We'll store the post ID on a comment as an integer, as it's just a number. And let's run our migration. Let's fetch the last post we have stored so we can add a comment to it. So when we create a comment, as well as passing in the body of the comment, we'll also pass in the post ID of the post we want to reference. Back in our post method in the comment class, we can return the comment's parent post by finding the post with an ID that matches the post ID stored on our comment. Okay, so let's fetch that comment we just created and see if its post method returns the correct parent. And it does. We see the post ID matches the comment's post ID attribute we set when we created it. Let's switch back to using belongs to define our post method and make sure we get the same result. And we do. Well, that was pretty straightforward. In the next video, we'll cover the has many side of the relationship.